Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen. Today in Selvin Kitchen, guys, we have an awesome delicious recipe we're gonna do today. We're gonna do jerk lamb, people. Yes people, that's what I said, jerk lamb. So thank you guys to support Selvin Kitchen. Thank you guys to share the video with your friends and family, and I'm asking you guys for one little tiny favor. When you guys are watching the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please smash that like button so other people can see it. So in Selvin Kitchen today, people, we're gonna do a jerk lamb. So I buy one leg of lamb here and I slice it up very thin like that. So you don't want it too thick. I just leave a little bit of fat on it. So I'm just gonna put it on the grill. I have some jerk season, homemade jerk season what I make. I have a video with some homemade game jerk season, so you guys can check out that video what I do. So in Selvin Kitchen today, people, jerk lamb. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're just gonna add some of the jerk seasoning. So I'm gonna leave it to marinate for around 1 hour, and then after I take it out and put it on the charcoal and the grill outside. So I just mix up the season. This is a homemade jerk season. As I said before, you guys check out my video and the rest on the channel. I have a video there with jerk season, so please check it out. I'm gonna mix it up already. I make it already and then I store it in the fridge. Let's give it a stir. Just gonna add some of it. So that is 2-3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons. Gonna mix it up. So don't fret to get down, just get down in it, guys. Put your hand in it, get down right down in it. So you can smell that black pepper, spring onion. So I had 4 tablespoons, had another tablespoon, like 5 tablespoons. So I'm gonna leave that there, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up with a cling film, wrap it up and leave it to marinate for 1 hour. So guys, the lamb been marinated for the last 1 hour. So I'm outside today. It's a beautiful day. You can hear the birds them singing, people. It's a beautiful, wonderful day. So the lamb is here, already marinated already. I have 2 plantain there, people. We're gonna put on the grill as well. So I'm outside, people. The grill already catch already. Some of the coal is burning out a bit. So you don't want to put the lamb on a blazing fire, that the fire is blazing to you don't want your lamb to burn. You want the lamb to take time to jerk on the grill, people. So we're doing jerk lamb today, people. Hear the birds I'm singing. Beautiful, it's a beautiful day. So in Selvin Kitchen today, people, but we're outside in Selvin Kitchen, so we're gonna do jerk lamb. So we're gonna do now, people, we're just gonna add some of this lamb on the grill. Okay, if you check it, people, look on it, all of that, let me zoom down on it, all of that seasoning and everything on it, marinate right through it. Oh my god, this is beautiful, people. This, people, jerk lamb. Had that one on the grill here, people. Jerk lamb, people, in Selvin Kitchen. So in Selvin Kitchen, people, we always doing something new. So I hope everybody's staying safe. Anybody that don't have the flu vaccine as yet, I have my one last week Friday. So it look a bit sore in my right arm, but otherwise it's okay. I have slightly temperature around 1 o'clock Friday night, and I was going into a fever. So my body was getting hot, my body was getting cold. and then my left arm, I use right arm, so my left arm was a little bit sore, still a little bit sore, still can sleep on it. I put too much pressure on it, but it's getting better. I don't have no giant pain or no muscle pain or nothing like that. Thank God for that, because a lot of people have complication, but I'm okay. So thank God for his small mercy. So now I'm just going to leave that there. I'm just going to cover it up and check it another 2 minutes. And Sylvan Kitchen people, jerk lamb. Look at the people and the grill. Yes guys, so the lamb and the grill for around 2 minutes. So now I'm just going to flick it around. So I want it to cook properly. Don't want it to burn. Oh people, look at that. You can stay a mile and smell this, people. Jerk lamb, people, jerk lamb. You don't try this recipe as yet, people? Try it. Because Sylvan Kitchen, we're always doing something new, people. Always doing something new. So I'm gonna give it another 2 minutes before I check it on that side. So now I'm just gonna add in a plantain on that side and a plantain on this side. So I'm just gonna get the knife in a minute and bore some hole in it to let it soak properly. So give it another 2 minutes there. Yes people, so I've been for the last 4 minutes. Just gonna give it a turn. Remember, it's lamb we're cooking, people. Lamb is not hard to cook. So I have a lot of recipe coming up, people. So thank you guys to subscribe to Sylvan Kitchen videos them. Thank you guys to share the video with your friends and family. Keep on subscribe and please give me a thumbs up for the videos them, people. And if you're a new subscriber over here, thank you very much to subscribe to Sylvan Kitchen, guys. Please hit that notification bell, so when I post a video, you people will get it. Because Sylvan Kitchen, we have a lot more recipe coming up, people. And come on to summertime now. It's not fully summers yet. So Sylvan Kitchen, I have a lot of barbecue, a lot of jerk coming up, people. So I'm gonna give that another 5 minutes on that side, and then after I'm gonna turn it over. You hear the birds I'm singing, people. I just love nature. Oh my God, love nature. Anybody lost anybody in this COVID-19 epidemic, I give you my condolence to all your friends and family. Please stay safe. So I give it 2 minutes more, people. Yes, people, look at that, guys. Spring on this one. So this one, I don't put no season on it because my daughter don't like any too many season. So they got one bland. So it's optional. If guys don't want to add a lot of spice to it, because a lot of people cannot take spice. So it's optional if you don't want to add spice to it. Just put a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, you're good to go. Yes, people. Jerk lamb in Selvin Kitchen, people. You guys never tried it before? Please do, please try it. Look on that hile coming out of it. So when you clean up the lamb, people, don't cut off all of the fat on it, because the fat give it that nice, tender, juicy taste. Because if you clean up all of the fat off it, you're gonna get dry. And you don't want your meat to get too dry. Yes, people, it's a beautiful day. Don't know if you guys can hear the birds them singing, but it's a beautiful day. I have some birds living in that tree up there. But it's a beautiful day, people. Beautiful day. Yes, guys, let me check this lamb again, because I don't want it to burn. All you want to do with these people is a cold red stripe beer. Planting them look ready, so I'm just going to move them to the hedge. Yes, guys, look at that. So all you do is just move them from the middle, people, put them to the edge and let them soak there. Ready to go, people, ready to go. Give it another 2 minutes, guys. Yes, people, so I just take it out of the oven, off of the jerk pan. And people, so I like my meat to well done. It's up to you guys, optional if you want it where. But look at that, people, plantain, ripe plantain, roast ripe plantain on the grill. Yes, people, in Selvin Kitchen, jerk lamb, guys, jerk lamb. Try this recipe. This recipe is awesome and delicious, people. Hi guys, this is all finished, people. This is all finished, guys. Look at that, people. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that, people. Look at that, people. This is jerk lamb, people. Jerk lamb with ripe roast plantain, people. Look at that. If you guys don't try this recipe as yet, people, try jerk lamb with roast ripe plantain, people. This is mind-blowing. This is delicious, people. So in Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. As I say again, thank you guys to subscribe to Selvin Kitchen videos then. Thank you guys to watching my videos then. Please give me a thumbs up for the videos then, people. Please smash that like button. If you're new over here, welcome to Selvin Kitchen. Welcome to the family, people. And all of my old subscribers, and thank you very much to stick with Selvin Kitchen, because we have a lot more recipe coming out. And that, people. So take care of yourself, people. I will see you guys in the next video. And please stay safe. Stay safe, people. Please stay safe. Selvin Kitchen.